What's up guys, it's Flash with tradingwithflash.com. In this week's episode of Live Trading Tips, it is a screen record, so stay tuned. Okay guys, we're just doing another live trading tip video, and I kind of just want to show you the power of some patterns when you learn them. My favorite pattern is a flag or a pennant. I usually like to trade high a day breakouts, hold dollars, holding half dollar breaks as well. But one of the patterns I kind of trade a lot is a flag, so I kind of wanted to go over a perfect one with you that came up today. It came up today on IGC. Now this stock's gone crazy the last few days. It's completely overextended, but it's gone crazy nonetheless. So if you can see it here, it had a big run up, holding above the 9 EMA. That's a 20 EMA, and the red and the white are Bollinger Bands, and the green is a Bollinger Band, the middle one, but I just use it as a 20 EMA as well. And this is VWAP. So it kind of topped out here at around 1380 and had a pullback. Now you can kind of see what it was forming. I have it marked out here for you guys already. But it was forming a flag. It found a support just about 1260 area. It was holding up nicely, and I really liked the side of consolidation of the flag. It was holding the 9 EMA and it was getting close to the 20 EMA as well, which usually I notice with these, if it does touch an EMA, it's a strong confirmation. If the EMAs come up together beside each other and it touches both of them, it's usually a better indication as well. Now obviously if they cross to the downside, you'd want to be careful, but also cross to the upside is really strong here. So as you can see, the flag, it's as clean as anything. It's probably one of the cleanest flags I've seen all week. And let's just kind of move along for the break, and we broke out. Now what's better about this again is you're at a whole dollar number, so regardless that it broke previously before and it kind of fell back through the whole number of 13, I kind of like getting these of the re-break of a whole or half dollar. I noticed these kind of work out well if they kind of make a run at the start, break through, maybe a whole number, pull back below it. I like to get in on the second re-break. But it's a flag as well as a whole number, so we're kind of meeting the criteria. If you notice here, as it breaks, I want you to look down at the volume bar, and you get a big spike in volume, and it's starting to break out of our pattern. This is a perfect sign to go long at the break, so I would have went long here exactly at the break of 1301. My buy would have been set, and let's just kind of see how it played out for you guys. So it was a really perfect break. You got highs there of just under 360 before it pulled back, and like you had two dojis. I would have then set my stop for a break even in this case, because the break, although it was a 40-cent jump straight away, which is a great jump, you would have had to be fast to get out of this. So let's say if you weren't quick enough on the trigger, you'd still be in. I would have set my stop for about 13.10, but then you got a test of 14, which is $1 from the one break. Now it double topped out at 14 and got rejected as we kind of go on. But if you got in at 13 out of 14 in the matter of 6 minutes, and that's $1. That's an incredible move, and it was solely based off, we're reading chart patterns here, and then we're kind of judging it with the candle patterns as well, when to get in and to get out of trades. As I said, I'd be a bit concerned of this candle. I don't like it, and I don't like the dojis getting pushed back down, but that's why I would have been safe and had a stop there at about 13.10 maybe. And we would have been either 10 cents in the money or a break even. I would have been happy with a break even on this case. Again, they don't always work, but the flag is definitely, I've noticed, the most consistent with my own trading, especially when it's coming to meet the EMAs. It is at a whole or half dollar break, and you get that volume behind it. It really is a perfect trade overall. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any videos if you have any ideas of patterns that you want me to maybe do a video on, or if you need help with maybe some indicators or anything like that, leave it in the comments below. I'm more than happy to do videos on what you guys request. Once again guys, thanks for another episode of live trading tip videos. God bless.
So guys, I really hope you enjoyed the video. I have prepared a full A to Z module on how to get started in the stock market. It is in the description below. It is based for beginners on how exactly to start from the very start to the finish and what I would recommend along your journey. It is absolutely free, so go check out the link and God bless.